Okay, today we see air motor. So in a pneumatic system, we can use air motor. It is also known as a rotary actuator. So what is air motor? Air motor is used to generate a rotary motion. It can provide higher rotational speed up to 10,000 rpm. It can transmit higher power at infinitely variable speed. So in a hydraulics and pneumatics, we can use air motor, okay, and it is also known as a rotary motor. So air motor is used to generate rotary motion, and it can provide higher rotational speed up to 10,000 rpm. It can transmit higher power at infinitely variable speeds, okay. So yeah, it can transmit higher power at infinitely variable speeds. So next is types of air motor. So different types of air motor. So first one is a vane type, okay. It is categorized into five. It is divided into five types of air motor is. First one is a vane type, next one is a gear type, next piston type, turbine type, and generator type. So these are the types of air motor we can use in a pneumatic system, okay. So in a air motor, so we see first one is a sliding vane type air motor. It is also a type of air motor, sliding vane. So sliding vane type, this type is most common type used in industries. Vane motor have about 3 to 10 vanes loaded with a spring or air pressure in their slots. The speed range is between 100 to 2500 rpm, okay. The construction of a sliding vane type air motor, all of you see in figure. Sliding vane type air motor is it consists of vanes, casing, guide vane, ring, fluid outlet, okay, discharge port, motor shaft, air from compressor inlet port, okay, and rotor. So this is a cross sectional view of a sliding vane type air motor. So this is the construction of sliding vane type air motor. So it consists of a slotted disc in which the spring loaded vanes reciprocate radially. The disc is mounted eccentrically in the housing. As the compressed air under pressure enter the inlet port and rides on inside of housing, this high pressure air strikes the vanes mounted on the rotary shaft, causing the shaft to rotate. The speed of air motor can be reversed by changing the direction of flow. It is available in a range from 50 to 75,000 rpm. Advantages. So first advantage is it operates in an explosive atmosphere, low cost, high starting torque, rapid acceleration, light and compact, provides a wide speed range, okay. Those are the advantages of air motor. First advantage is it operates in an explosive atmosphere, it has low cost, high starting torque, rapid acceleration, light and compact, and provide a wide speed range. So those are the advantages of air motor. Next point is application. So application, in that first application is a hammer, drilling machines, sawmills, shipyards, railroad, mining and oil refineries. Okay, so next application is paper mills, agitator, mixer, conveyor and belt. In application in a tool drives, vibrator, in application in a tool drives, vibrator, printing machines, power screw drives, hopper gates, chemical plants, cement plants, cotton mills, steel mills. Okay, those are the advantage, those are the applications of air motor.